Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how I make leaf moi moi without all the wahala of wrapping it. Where I live in Europe, we get our banana leaves frozen, as in rock frozen. So what I do is let it defrost and sterilize in boiling water before I use. And once it is defrosted, this is what I get. How in God's name am I supposed to wrap this? Like wrap this for moi moi? The more I try to wrap it, the more split I got. So today I'm going to show you how I finally make the perfect leaf moi moi using banana leaves. This also works for oma leaves if you're struggling with wrapping it. So let's get started. For the benefit of our friends who can't prepare moi moi yet, here's a basic recipe for moi moi. Detailed recipe and ingredient list are available for free on the website. So first we soak and dehull the beans, that's remove the skin. Then we cut the red peppers and onions and place everything in a blender, including stock cube and crayfish. Then we add a little water and blend until smooth. Now we'll pour the mixture into a large bowl and add some water to lighten up the mix. It shouldn't be too thick nor too watery. I like my moi moi soft, but my guests for today like their moi moi a bit stiff, so I won't be adding so much water, but feel free to add an extra cup of water if you want a softer moi moi. As you add the water into the batter, make sure you stir it and continue stirring to incorporate some air and fluff off the batter. Now you can go ahead and add some oil, which could be either clear vegetable oil or palm oil, and also taste for salt. Like I said earlier, this is just a method out of so many. So if your method is different from this, please feel free to share in the comment section below. As I said at the beginning, I get the banana leaves frozen, but then I defrost them and sterilize in hot boiling water. And now to prepare the moi moi leaf, we'll need an aluminium foil roll and of course the banana leaves or oma leaves you plan to use. Cut the banana leaves into a rectangle or square. Then you place it on the foil paper and cut the foil paper, leaving about 4 cm on each side. You don't have to have a clean cut. And now you fold the foil paper until you get to the point where the banana leaf is. Then you make one more fold to keep the leaf in place. Repeat the same process for the other side and also fold the bottom if you want extra hold and to avoid leakage. Now let's take a look and see how it looks inside. Now the next step is to pour in your moi moi batter into the foil leaf pockets you just created, and then add your protein of choice, which could be either boiled egg, boiled fish, shrimps, or corned beef, or whatever you want to use as your filling. When all the moi moi batter has been exhausted, the next thing is to steam the moi moi. I do this by placing the leftover leaves or the wasted leaves at the bottom of the pot I'll be using. Then I pour a cup or 2 cups of water into the pot and let it boil a bit before putting the steaming basket on top of it. Cover the pot and let the moi moi steam for about 45 minutes to 1 hour, but make sure you check to be sure that there's still water in the pot. If there isn't, you can add a little more and let it cook until done. Isn't this beautiful? And here we have a delicious perfect leaf moi moi without any wahala of wrapping the leaves. So friends, what are you waiting for? No more excuses, so get those moi moi and banana leaves and give yourself a treat. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumb up by clicking on that like button and subscribe and hit on that bell button so you get notified when new videos are uploaded. And also check out our website for more delicious recipes. See you in the next video. Bye bye.